Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Verizon Hotspot on an iPhone and get it working instantly. Let's jump straight into it. First, make sure your Verizon plan actually includes hotspot data. Most plans do, but if the option isn't showing up later, that's usually the reason. Once that's confirmed, open your iPhone and head into the Settings app. Right above the hotspot option, make sure cellular is turned on. Because if cellular is off, the hotspot won't appear at all. Now, tap on Personal Hotspot. If you're not seeing this option, don't worry. Sometimes a quick restart or resetting network settings fixes it. But if it's there, go ahead and open it. Turn on the main Personal Hotspot switch, and also make sure Allow Others to Join is enabled. That's the switch that lets other devices actually connect. From there, any laptop or device can open the Wi-Fi menu, look for your iPhone's name, enter the password, and you're connected through Verizon's hotspot data. If your hotspot ever stops working or doesn't appear on your iPhone, the most common fixes are super simple. Toggle cellular off and back on, restart your iPhone, reset network settings, or double-check with Verizon that your plan includes hotspot data. And that's all it takes. Alright, that's the full walkthrough. If this helped you out, hit like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.